got it. Good job, AJ. Huh. Okay. What do you use your handbrake for? If you're feeling out of control? All right. Look where you're going. AJ, look where you're going.
I almost went over. That's why I went in the grass.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
That's why I wanted to go.
Look where you're going. You're going downhill, so make sure you use your brake. Good job. All right, you're good. Keep going. Michael Phelps is a swimmer. Michael Phelps is a swimmer. Lance Armstrong is the rider. Lance Armstrong is the bike rider. Go, Lance, go. Okay, well, right away. Nice job. I'm coming. AJ, go all the way to the trash can up there, and then I'll meet you there.